if we would practice more yoga, more meditation techniques, if we would have more introspective time with ourselves, we would be more in peace, more loving, more kind with each other. And I think that yoga itself should be practiced in school as a basic subject and a basic technique for all the kids to have from where to start to become more kind, more loving, and more peaceful. And in this way, by planting these kind of seeds, the whole planet could transform, and we would not have wars. We would look at each other from a different perspective, and we would be more helpful, more loving with each other, which is so necessary. And I think that for me, I have noticed that during years, this was also my inspiration when I was studying different religions, different spiritual systems, that all the people, when they unite and they are connected in their hearts, we are going beyond our differences. And this unification, because yoga means unity, is helping us to bring more peace to the earth, more love, more kindness that is so much needed in the times that we are living.